After 10 years away from home, Abia-born football star Kenneth Omeruo, OONMON, finally returned, and it was a visit filled with pride, inspiration, and big dreams for the future. Omeruo, who currently plays for Romanian club CFR, paid a courtesy visit to Governor Alex Otti. During the meeting, he commended the governor for what he described as giant strides in transforming Abia State. He confessed that every time he opens his social media, he is amazed by the incredible projects and developments happening back home. And as a proud son of Abia State, he has been actively sharing these success stories with the world. But the visit wasn't just about praise. Kenneth Omeruo came with a vision, a plan to give back to society. He announced his upcoming Football Talent Hunt initiative, designed to discover and mentor young footballers in Abia State. And his dream is just simple: to help nurture local talent and create pathways for them to break into major clubs, especially across Europe. He requested the support and collaboration of the state government to bring this noble vision to life.
Most times I see your the post on social media and I share it to my profile, with pride, and it's also joy for me to see sometimes they post, okay, who is the top 5 governors in Nigeria, and if you go to the comments, everyone is saying, where is Otti, where is Abia State governor, and this is very, very, very impressive, and I want to congratulate you for all you have done. So I've been working on the project. Me and my team, we have a lot of collaborations from clubs in Spain, in Romania, even in Chelsea as well. So these guys, they want to come to Nigeria and, and see these talents. So I have a project that I want to embark on from the end of this year until summer. And I've been working on it, but I said there's no way I will start it in Abuja or in Lagos. I have to come home and start it from here. And that's actually one of the reasons why we came to, seek your permission also to tell you about the project, and also ask you if there is any other way you. I'm happy our youth guys here, if there's any way we can use my platform as well to help, the youth, especially through football.
Thank you so much for that beautiful presentation of
because you good job, okay? You spoke so well, man. Keep it up, man.
So, who really is Kenneth Omeruo? Let's take a closer look at his journey. Born on October 17, 1993, Kenneth Josiah Omeruo is a Nigerian international defender with a career that has taken him across Europe's top leagues. He signed for Chelsea Football Club in 2012 from Standard Liège. At just 19, he was sent on loan to Dutch side ADO Den Haag, where he impressed enough to earn a national team call-up. Kenneth quickly cemented his place in the Super Eagles, playing a crucial role in Nigeria's 2013 African Cup of Nations victory and later featuring in the 2013 FIFA Confederations Cup in Brazil. And in 2019, he scored his first AFCON goal against Guinea and helped Nigeria secure the bronze medal in their tournament. Off the pitch, Omeruo is a family man. Yes, he is that young enough to get married. He is married to Chioma, and together they welcomed their first child, Sherin, in London just recently. Financially, he has also enjoyed success. Omeruo earned an estimated £17,772 per week and over £924,000 sterling annually, making him the highest paid player at his former club. Now, after a decade away, Omeruo has returned, not just to celebrate his roots, but to inspire the next generation of stars. His story is a reminder that no matter how far our heroes go, they never forget home. From Abia State to the world, Kenneth Omeruo remains a true pride of Nigeria, and with this new project, he's set to shape the future of football in his homeland.
Let's talk on something very, very controversial because it divides opinion time and time again. I believe that because of what players of the Super Eagles stand to gain, they should probably look away from issues concerning payment and focus on the big issues. Because you can understand where I'm coming from. We had a game against France, a very, very massive game against France at the World Cup in 2018. And the night before that game, they were still talking about money. They were still sharing money. And ultimately, we went on to lose that game. And somebody saying, maybe if we went with a little bit of commitment, that 2-1 might have been 2-2 or maybe 3-2. Why is it that players cannot look away? Because some of you earn decent wages. And I believe that some of this, that whatever you get from the Super Eagles side, some of you don't take home. Some of you give it to friends, families, and the rest of them. Why is money a sticking issue every time with Super Eagles players, past, present?
Not just Super Eagles players, other countries as well. Money is important. That's why we play. We risk our careers every day you go on the pitch. So money cannot be kept out of it. You know, I just feel the better way to deal with it is make the payments available on time, and money will not be an issue. You know, like the last Nations Cup, you know, our payments came. You know, money was not an issue for us. So you cannot keep money out of it. That's. I know there is passion for football and playing for your country, but also, you know, we're playing this to earn money, and you cannot take that away. So if wages are paid on time, players. But for me, I think it's funny you brought back that that game against France, because it got me laughing, because I can remember I was very young then, and I see, you know, argument here and there, and I'm just sitting because I couldn't contribute anything. I just wanted to play, you know. I just wanted less travel, less play, but there's an age you get to and you want to gather everything you can, because this money is your right, is your benefit, and if you don't take it, someone else will take it. So it's better they pay you for, you know, what you deserve, and then you can go on the pitch, you know, and give everything. And money also motivates, you know. If you come the game against Rwanda now and say, if you win this game, I give all the players $20,000. You know, it motivates.
Come on, Kenneth, you and I know. Kenneth, you and I know that. With all due respect to you and I know that $20,000 is not enough to motivate you to go and break your leg. That's for you. For you.
No, funny enough, if you're on the pitch, you don't think about this money. You're playing because you want to play. You're giving your best. But at the end of the whistle and you win, you remember. Someone said they'll give 20,000. You know, then you start calculating.
Okay.
But I think the money should be paid, you know, or kept ahead of the tournaments, and so we don't have issue with it. Nigeria is a big country, and we shouldn't go to the tournaments thinking and speaking about money.
Okay.
Well,